In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep character consistency when creating videos in the Meta AI app. To get started, open the Meta AI app on your mobile device and begin a new chat. This gives you a clean starting point so you can clearly describe exactly what you want the video to look like from the very beginning. If you're creating a new video, take your time when writing the first prompt. Describe your character, their clothing, overall appearance, the environment, and the art style in as much detail as possible. The more specific you are up front, the better chance Meta AI has of giving you a result that stays visually consistent. It helps to think of this first prompt as the foundation for everything that comes after. As you describe the character and scene, be very clear and repeat the same descriptions every time you generate or extend the video. Consistency is extremely important here. If you change the wording too much between prompts, the character may suddenly look different, or the background and framing may shift in ways you didn't want. A good prompt should include details like the character's age, hairstyle, clothing colors, facial features, camera angle, and the background. These small details matter because they help the AI lock in the visual identity of the scene. Even something as simple as changing a jacket color or leaving out the camera angle can affect the final result. If the feature is available in your version of the app, you can also upload a reference image. This is especially helpful if you already have a look you want to preserve. When you do that, ask Meta AI to keep the same character and the same visual style throughout the video so the output stays closer to your original vision. When you move on to follow-up scenes, be direct. Tell Meta AI to keep the same character, the same outfit, the same environment, and the same visual style as the previous scene. This reinforces continuity and reduces the chance of unexpected changes from one clip to the next. Try to avoid making major changes to the prompt unless they're absolutely necessary. Big prompt changes often lead to noticeable differences between frames, which can break the realism and flow of the video. After the video is generated, review it carefully and look for any inconsistencies. Pay attention to the face, hair, clothing, background, and camera framing. If something looks off, regenerate the video with more specific instructions that emphasize character consistency, stable framing, and matching visual details. Keep refining the prompt until the character, environment, and camera framing remain consistent throughout the video. Once you're happy with the result, save or share the video using the options available in the Meta AI app.